Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask in the world. We started with Amazon and then we just expanded. Today I'm looking at the Great Health Disposable Face Masks, which I'm sure you've heard of. Actually, I haven't. So we may have bought them on Amazon. Actually don't know where they came from. They just showed up one day. I did Google it, and they are available on everyone's favorite website, foodforless.com. So you can buy it on there, I guess. There you go. Anyways, let's put it in the clamper and see what happens. We haven't tested this before, have we?
Nope.
Okay. Thank God. Thank God. Oh, this one is a tight one. This is going to get me. Pinch, 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 pinch. Get him, get him. Let her rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. If you want to find out how this thing works, check out this link. We're basically doing the American Surgical Mask test here, holding these guys to ASTM standards. Now, I don't see really anything useful on the website, Food for Less, so we're just going to jump right at the box. Provides superior fluid resistance, hypoallergenic, highly efficient, optimal comfort, non-medical. Manufactured in China. That was weird. Did you see stuff come out? How old are these?
1800.
There's like broken mask pieces in the packaging. That does not bode well. Let's try this. That's pretty good, but the ear loops are just huge, honestly. Smells like the Sunday morning edition of the New York Times. It smells like the Sunday morning edition of the New York Times if something went horribly wrong with the physical paper, not with the company or the world or anything. Yeah, I mean, I've seen worse, but it's, you know, it's not ideal. But does it protect you? That's the question. So we're testing to the ASTM standards here. The minimum standard in the United States is 95%. Survey says 66.271. 66.271. Well, that's less than ideal, I would say. If you find yourself in search of great health, maybe skip the great health masks. 2 on the nose. That's what we do here. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your time and attention. And we're doing something new today. If you like this video, drop me something in the comments. If you hate this video, drop something in the comments. If you just are passing by, drop something in the comments, because it's going to be worth your while, that 1 or 2 seconds. I'll tell you details of the competition right up there. Long and short of it, we're going to be picking some of you for some cool stuff. And I will catch you on the next test, which is very soon, 10 o'clock tomorrow. Every day we're dropping a new test. So I will see you on that test.